Well, Boomer, you in the driver's seat today. How's it feel?
You know what? It's a really nice car. I like this car. It's a low mileage car to start with. Only 36,700 original miles on the car. So it's really nice. The interior is all original, except for a few minor replacement parts. I mean, just an all-around really nice car.
Yeah, I agree. Guys who are watching, Chris and Boomer here live, Dream Giveaway Garage on location in the Bandit Trans Am. T-minus 60 days and counting, Boomer.
Yeah, I mean, hate to see this car go, but somebody's going to get a great Trans Am. I mean, this thing is really fun to drive. I mean, it does have the Olds motor in it. And so I think it's 185 horse, I think is what this thing comes out to. So it's not a super powerful car, but you know what? It's a piece of movie nostalgia. So that's really what this car is all about.
Absolutely. And looking out this windshield, look at that shaker scoop. And
oh yeah.
Right on that shaker scoop. Autographed by the Bandit himself. It's true, guys.
Yeah, it's got Burt Reynolds' signature right on the shaker scoop. Really cool. There aren't going to be many or any more of these. I mean, this is just about it for Burt. So
yeah, absolutely. And like you said, nice low mile car. People don't know the backstory. I'll tell them. So in 2018, the summer of 2018, we had discussions with Burt's team about doing the next Bandit Dream giveaway. And so we got the shaker scoop over to them and said, you know, when Burt's available, we want to get him back into the Dream Giveaway Garage at Studios. Let's film a new TV commercial and let's have him with a nice giveaway car. Well, guys, unfortunately what happened was Mr. Reynolds passed away in September of 2018. So we then started conversations with his estate. And they didn't want us to end the campaign. He said, Mr. Reynolds wanted us to give away this car, and let's continue to do it. We had their full blessing on it. And so here we go. This is really celebrating the life, the legacy, and the career of one of Hollywood's greats.
And he did love this car. He really did. I mean, he got a lot of mileage, no pun intended, out of these old Trans Ams. So
yeah, absolutely. And you know, even all the movies that he did, he's known as being behind the wheel of a Pontiac Trans Am. So this is our third Pontiac Bandit Dream giveaway. Third time we've had a shaker scoop signed. And I've got to tell you, his team, they were very, very strict. If you met him at a show, he'd sign a glove box for you. He'd sign a sun visor. But he would not. And guys, this is very important. He would not sign a shaker for you unless you were friends or family. And to Mr. Burt Reynolds' Dream Giveaway, we were friends and family.
Yeah. Too bad he's gone, but he's going to live on for a long, long time, I do believe.
Yeah, absolutely. So less than 60 days on this car. Again, how many miles are on? You drive a Ford truck. How many miles are on your Ford truck?
My Ford truck?
Yeah.
102,000, I think.
And my GM car, I've got about 59,000 miles on it. This Trans Am, only 36,000 original miles, and it is 41 years old. Absolutely amazing.
But you look at this car from the outside, you look at it from the inside, it looks brand new.
Really, really does. You guys are going to be so stoked when you enter to win this Trans Am. Of course, use the promo code Facebook Live, and you're going to get bonus tickets. Only 60 days left, and I've got to tell you, we've had so many great giveaways going on. It's really time that you guys start making some contributions to win this Trans Am.
Yeah, somebody's going to win it. We want you to win it. If you win this car, we're going to fly you down here to Clearwater, Florida. We're going to do a ceremony, I hope. We're going to hand you the keys to the car. We're going to pay the federal taxes. What's $10,000 on this car? $10,000. You know, and then you're going to get basically a brand new 1979 Trans Am to take home, put in your garage, and take to car shows and have fun with.
That's right. And I've got to remind you guys, this car's got T-tops. let's get the camera up there to show the T-top.
Yes, it does.
Just like in Smokey and the Bandit, it's got the special edition. You can get the special edition with or without the T-tops. This one has it, and guys, they don't leak. And you've got to take my word for it. I've had Boomer out with this car in the rain.
Yep.
These are rock solid T-tops. You're going to love it. And even though this isn't a high horsepower car, it sounds the part.
Yeah, it does.
It drives the part. And if you look all around, there's people all around us. Thumbs up everywhere we go. And that's what you guys are going to get when you enter and you win this Bandit in the Bandit Dream giveaway. What else can we tell them about it? We got a couple more minutes here.
Oh, no. I mean, if you take a look at the dash here, and you can see it through the console here, it's you've got all your gauges. All the gauges work. The clock works. Fuel gauge works. I mean, find a 79 Trans Am that everything works in. I dare you. That will be a hard thing to do.
Yep. Even the cigarette lighter works.
Yes, it does.
That's right. And over here, a rear defogger. The horn works just fine.
Radio.
AM, FM radio.
Yep.
I couldn't dream.
There you go. Yep, works just fine. Air conditioning is nice and cold on the car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's 90 degrees outside today. We're riding around in the car here. We've got the air conditioning on. Feels wonderful.
Guys, this isn't a beat up old Firebird you found at the end of a junkyard row. This is a low mile restored car with excellent paint, excellent drivability. Everything's been sorted out thanks to Boomer in the Dream Giveaway Garage. And all you have to do is turn the key and go if you're the winner.
That's right. So we want you to win it. So go over to dreamgiveaway.com, make your donation to one of our 8 great charities. You're going to be in it to win it. And we've only got, 60 days left on it?
T-minus 60 days and counting.
Okay.
Enter now and...
Enter often.
That's Boomer's phrase. Enter now and enter often. Guys, we'll see you with more great Trans Am action. We're going to do a couple more videos this week. Live, on location, in a Bandit Trans Am, autographed by the legendary Burt Reynolds in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
See you next time.